Okay, so this is the new and improved car. Hopefully it won't flip this time. I got all the motors, I got the Mega, got everything connected, and I added a few new features, so let's see how it works. I'm turning on the receiver, got the Arduino plugged already, turn on the battery. Okay, that's good. So, now if I press forward, okay, so that's not working for some reason. Okay, so I figured out what the problem is. The battery died, so I had to find a new one. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time then. And I have you plugged in. I have you turned on, have you in the center. Turn on the battery. Good, nothing moves. All right, now we're gonna try to move forward. I'm gonna try moving backward. If you notice, there are 2 levels to speed. That's medium and that's high. Same thing going backwards. That's medium and that's high. Okay, so another cool thing I added was the turning. So that's the normal forward backwards. Then if I want to turn, I can turn that way. I can turn that way. Go backward, turn, backward, forward a bit, forward a bit. Backward. And also I have a different type of turning. So just turn around the center. I'm gonna try to make it faster, but it works fine right now. So I did order some parts and I'm gonna add them so I can kind of make an autonomous car. Just add a sensor in the front, back, and side. So yeah, comment, subscribe. Yeah, just tell me what you want me to add to the car, because I'm gonna keep on adding stuff to this for a while.